Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm super excited. I have my granddaughter, Gabrielle, here, and she's going to pick a winner. Now all you have to do is watch my DIY bath sign video, leave me a comment, and if you're new to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. So now we are going to have Gabrielle pick our winner. And the winner is Starla Edwards. And we're also going to have a second winner. Now Starla gets to pick the bath or the office sign. And the second winner is Rochelle Coyle. So all you have to do is find me on Facebook and message me through Messenger. My name's Colleen, the last name's Machete, M-I-C-H-E-T-T-I. And tell me, Starla, if you want the bath or the office sign, and leave me your address, and I will get that in the mail to you right away. So until next time, happy decorating!